Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jawad, this is
Nikki.
So guys, we're going furniture shopping here in Lahore and we have to purchase a dining table. So we're going to this brand called Interwood, which is like a well-renowned brand, and we're going to one of their branches. They have two branches in Lahore, one is in DHA and one is in Garden Town. So we're going to Garden Town today and we are going to purchase a dining table. Okay, this guy was like, take my video, so I'm taking his video. Anyway, so our Uber is here, and I'm just getting inside the Uber. So guys, no smoking in the Uber. Make sure you don't smoke in here, eh?
Just in case, I was just gonna start.
You were just gonna start smoking?
I was just gonna start smoking until that guy told me not to.
Damn. Better not smoke. Okay guys, so I just got here, just getting on my Uber. So it was 388 rupees, which is like, thank you, which is about $2, $2 man, for about almost 10 kilometers. It's so cheap. So guys, this is the entrance. As you walk in, they have a nice reception area right here, and then you walk into the store. So how do you like this stuff so far?
It's really beautiful.
Nice, huh?
Beautiful. Yeah, I want all of that. And then I want the box and then...
So guys, this is the table that we're going for. We're not getting the chairs because she doesn't like the chairs that come with it. But this is the table. Metal bottom with glass top. 6-seater. So I just asked this girl and how old this brand is, and they are operating since 1974. And they're very well renowned, and they're like, you know, you can purchase stuff from us stress-free. There's a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, and then after that we'll also do repairs for you. You know, we'll charge you a little bit after a year, but within 1 year, if there's any problems, we fix everything for you. So yeah, they're pretty reputable. And if you guys want to purchase your furniture, I recommend that you come here, because in Pakistan there's a lot of people that go against their word, and there's a lot of fraud and stuff that happens. So you want to be careful. You want to go with people that are reputable and have been in the game for a long time. So definitely check out Interwood Furnitures in Lahore. Okay guys, so we're just leaving, and it was really nice. It didn't feel like, you know, it didn't feel like you're in Pakistan. How was the store?
It was good. The service was really good.
Yeah, the stuff looked good, you know, reputable, which is what I'm looking for. I don't want people to come and take advantage of my money and, you know, just give me something garbage for expensive. So you can trust them because they're old, they've been around for a long time. guys, the furniture that I ordered the other day, it's here. That's the truck right here. That's the truck, so they brought our table in there. So I thought I'd show you guys. Help तो नहीं चाहिए भाई? Home delivery service. So these guys are just putting it together. They send the guys that put together the table separately with the delivery guys. So that's what these guys are up for. That's what they're here for right now. So the table is done now. And it looks pretty good. No damages, no issue. And it comes with a 1-year warranty as well. So Interwood, good job. Please like and subscribe to my channel, so that helps me to make out more videos.